Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something that right here, I got my Ipsy Boxycharm for the month of March. So this is actually a box I'm really excited about. So let's just get to it and see what I got here. Okay, friends. I first of all want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. If you'd like to subscribe or hit the like button and do those things to support my channel, I would love it. And so let's open up and see what we got here. I actually got into it because I'm actually wearing some of the things we got. One thing I'm excited about for this month is the picks. I don't know. I got my favorite picks, but first let's go to this is just the card. It's for the month of, here we go, for the month of March. It says main character energy is the theme. It says eat, glam, love, set out on an adventure this spring to romanticize your life and your routine with fresh beauty that finds that give you main character energy all day, every day. So actually I just did that because I just got back from California and I did eat, glam, and love. And so it was really great. So now I'm back and I like the theme for the month. It says here they have a March bucket list. It says glow big or go home. Support women-based owned brands. I do that. Fully embrace blush blindness. I've got new blush, so I guess I can vow for that. Take yourself on a coffee date. I have not done that one. There's still time in the month, right? It says watch La Dolce Vita, and I have not done that. Grab the edit NARS in the Ipsy shop on 310. Well, we'll see if it's still there. I'm not sure. I'll have to check that out. And then it says make pasta from scratch. Well, that's not gonna make my bucket list, but there's other things on my bucket list for March that I'm going to accomplish. So anyway, it gives a sneak peek of some things that are coming up. One thing I want to say with this box, I just felt like I got brands that I'm really excited about that I haven't received a lot of, or brands that are some of my favorites. So anyway, I was excited about that. And then their picks for me was my dream. It was my dream picks that they could give me. And the first is they had a foundation from Morphe. This is the Light Form foundation. So that's the first thing they picked for me right here. I did put some on, and I'm going to try a little bit more here. I'm going to see what happens here. I'm going to rub this in on my hand. So it's actually a pretty good match. But what I like about it, I really like this foundation. I'm going to tell you, okay, when I put my hands up together, I don't know if you can see it in the screen, but this hand, I have a lot of veins, kind of blue veins you can see in my hand. And this one, it's kind of took it away. So I know it's got coverage. So I'm excited about it. The color looks great. I got a medium color, which is perfect for me. And so that was the first thing they picked for me. Now the next thing they picked for me is another one of my favorite things to get in a box, and that is a palette. And this is from Laura Geller Beauty. First of all, this right here, the foundation, it's not a super expensive foundation, but it is valued at $20. So but I like it. I'm going to use it. I did not use it today because I happened to already have a foundation on when I decided I was going to use this makeup. But I have used this palette. So this is the Laura Geller palette. It's beautiful for spring. Look at all those colors. It's just beautiful. And then you open it up and we got all kinds of stuff here. Let's see if I can pull this off and give you a good look at the palette. Now I have dug into here. I've used some of these colors up here and down here for my eye look. But anyway, this is also not a super expensive palette, but it's worth $25. I got a highlighter that I used, but I did put a little bit of this over it, and I do like the highlighter in here. The blush is not my color, but it probably would make an eyeshadow okay. But I like it. It has some shimmers, some mattes. Mostly it's kind of a light. It's a lighter palette for me than I usually use, but anyway, so it's fairly light look, but anyway, so there's that. So I was excited. These were my 2 picks from them. Thank you, Ipsy. Love it. And then my next 3 beauty picks were, okay, so I got, first of all, from Huda Beauty, which Huda is like one of my favorite brands. I love everything I get in Huda, especially I love their eyeshadow palettes, and they just have a lot of cool things. So this right here is Easy Bake and Snatch. It's a face powder. Let's see what it says on here. Let me see what it says about it. This is actually the most expensive thing in the box. This is valued at $38, which this one product pays for my box and more. The last 2 products did the same, so we're doing pretty good here. Okay, so this says, snatch your face with this luminous matte pressed powder that brightens and lifts all the right places. Infused with hyaluronic acid and avocado for a creamy, non-drying feel. Love that. It delivers a silky filtered finish, plus the sleek compact and precision sponge are perfect for setting and touching up whatever you shine, wherever you shine. So anyway, I did use a little bit of this today. I already had my base on, but it comes with this little tiny, right here, just a little sponge. I like it. It's a flat sponge. I took it and I used it under my eyes here, and I just kind of went over some places in my face. So anyway, love it. I'm really excited about this. So, and you can also use it with a brush. I kind of did that. I took a brush and kind of went over. But anyway, that's very exciting. So Huda Beauty. So I'm excited about that. And my choices, there was a couple, I'm putting my choices up on the screen, but there was a couple I had to choose between a couple, and I wasn't sure which one to pick, but for the most part, they were pretty obvious what I wanted. These are brands I like and brands I want Ipsy to have. So the next one is from Fenty Beauty, and this is a cheek blush, and here's the package. It's kind of, I don't know, looks like a kite almost. And open it up, and there is the blush, and it's very much my color. I'm really excited about this. Let me see what I got here. So it just, really light, but if I put it on, it's pretty profound. So there's that. I can't tell in the lights. I probably overdid it. So anyway, love it. Fun. I love Fenty. I love blushes. So that was a fun thing to be able to pick. And so the next thing I chose was, and this is my 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my 5th and final thing, and it is from, it's Formula Z, I believe, right here, and it is a highlighter. And you guys, I'm like, this is going to be my new best friend. I love it. I don't have a lot of highlighters that have the doe foot, but this right here, look at this. I'm going to put it right, let's see, I'll put it right here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so pretty. Okay, rub it in. So anyway, I did do this on my cheeks. And I love it. So I'm excited to be able to have this. So I kind of got I didn't get any skincare in here. And that was one of the choices. There was a skincare item that was a really expensive item that I was tempted to get, but I really just wanted these makeup. I didn't want to pass up on Huda Beauty or the Fenty. Love the highlighter. I'm into highlighters, and I wanted to try this, the liquid, you know, with the doe foot, and I'm very happy with this. This is very pretty. And so I did, though, get a skincare item with my Beauty Boost, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute here. So this is from Ole Hendricks. This is a, let's see, it is a $52 value, and it's a Banana Bright and Instant Glow Moisturizer. I do like moisturizers, and so let me see, well, it's kind of got this kind of, so it is banana, kind of banana-y. It has kind of a citrusy, maybe it's supposed to be banana. The smells kind of citrusy, clean, fresh, real light scent. And this says, get ready to glow with this illuminating daily moisturizer powered by gold complex vitamin C and light reflecting banana pigments. I love vitamin C in my skincare, so that's great. Designed to help instantly brighten and hydrate for up to 24 hours. This lightweight formula also helps extend makeup wear for a fresh, radiant look all day long. Okay, excited about this. I've heard great things about it. Ole Hendrickson makes good skincare. So anyway, that's my Beauty Boost. So I'm excited. So their picks for me once again was the Laura Geller. Beautiful palette right there. And the Morphe foundation. I picked the Fenty. I've got the Huda Beauty powder. Where is that? Did I put it back in the box? Yeah. I got the Huda Beauty powder. So excited about that. Really excited. The Fenty Beauty blush. And the Z Formula highlighter. So basically that's a good face of makeup right there. So I'm excited. Love this month. Very happy with it. I was excited to get my box, excited to wear these things. So like I said, I do have the blush, the highlighter, the powder, and the Laura Geller palette on in my makeup routine today. And then there was just two little things I got here in add-ons. I actually picked up some more add-ons in my Ipsy Glam bag, which actually hasn't come yet. So I'm looking forward to getting that. But anyway, these are Dragon Fruit Dream, and it's by a brand that I haven't heard of. This is, there's two different colors. I got the same thing, but two different colors, and it's called Avatara, so it's kind of like Avatar. This one's a berry color, and it has the berry color here. This one's a lighter pink. So let me just try these on here. They're guava, one of the Dragon Fruit Dream tinted lip jelly in cool berry. That's the one I'm going to try right now down here. Okay, they smell so good, and they even taste good too, because I tried one of these on, and it's like, it tastes and smell. This is dragon fruit right there in the bottom. And then I'm going to do the pink. This is Guava Glow tinted lip jelly in soft pink. So this one's guava. I'm going to put it right above. So
here's what I found.
You can see the berry and then the pink. So there we go. And they're a little bit sticky, which I don't mind in lip. I know some people think, oh, they don't like sticky or tacky, but I don't mind it in a lip gloss. So I mixed them together. Okay, they smell good and they taste good. So that was, anyway, those are my 2 add-ons. So let me know, what do you think of the box? What do you think of my power picks? I'm just curious. Give me an opinion on what the brands were and what you think. Let me know what you got in your box. I was surprised. I didn't really get a lot of skincare this month, but I didn't mind because I got some really good makeup products that I've been wanting to try. So anyway, March is a good month. So thank you, Ipsy, and let me know again in the comments what you think. I appreciate you guys being here. I thank you for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.